This is a battery replacement on a 2005 Porsche Cayenne. This is the way you do it. It goes right here. You gotta move the seat back. Uh, it's got these bolts right here. First, these things go right here. You just pull them up and they pop out. It's got two, one on each side. You pop them out, boom, comes right out. Then this one's right here, which is the one that is holding right there. And for that, you're gonna need a Torx socket. It's I think it's a 70, I guess, or 10. I don't know. Yeah, I guess it's a 10. You take it out, both sides, and then after you remove both, you move the seat back with the battery still connected. You move it back, and you move the back also forward, and then just pull it back and it'll go up. But you got to take out the plastics right here. These right here. You just pull them out and they come out. Oh, it's got one there, it's got one here, and take out the two in the back. It's got two in the back so you don't break them. I already broke mine on the other side. So once you get that removed, you pull the seat back, and as you can see, it'll go back, and it gives you plenty of room for the battery. When you move it back, just move it back enough to clear the steering wheel, because if you move it all the way back, it's not gonna give you enough room to lift it for the battery. Okay, to put the battery back on, you can use a 10mm socket, and you gotta take these out. Okay, that's what holds the battery in the bottom. Okay, I'm just showing you guys the reverse process. I'm putting it back now, so this goes right here. And he also has a 10mm screw. So everything's 10mm. I'm hoping I don't drop it, because now I gotta pull out the battery again. And it's not easy. It's heavy. Okay. I already removed the power protector that comes with it. Now I gotta remove the ground. Okay, that's out. Now I gotta hook up the power. Power is also a 10. For that you need a wrench, a 10. We're gonna put the ground in, it should have power. Yeah, I heard the radio, I heard everything kicked in already, so. Now also, when I got my battery at Costco, based on the book that they have at Costco, it was recommending, on the book it said it was a 700 cold cranking amp that I needed. Okay, and I believe the one they had was 900 as well. This is from Walmart. It might still be under warranty, but I don't know. I didn't want to find out yet. Okay, so based on the book, it says 700, so they tried giving me a 700. But through the Costco website, it directed me to the Interstate website. And the Interstate website said I needed a 900 cold cranking amps. So that's what I got, 900. Okay, everything's put together. Now I gotta get the cover back. This cover. Okay, you just like any cover, you just put it on top. Okay, you just put it like that, and then it's got these clips. It's got 4. It's got 2 in the front, and it has 2 more in the back. What happened here? There it goes. And it's got 2 more underneath the carpet. Okay. So you're pretty much done with the battery here. Now I'm gonna show you guys the way you put the seat back. The clip came out of the plastic that goes here. So I'm just gonna take it out to put it back onto the plastic. It's not easy with one hand. Okay, got it out. This thing goes here. Just slide it in if you can. Squeeze it and push it in. Okay. So when you put it back on, you just pop it in. That's it. Okay. So we're good here so far. Let's see. I'm not missing anything before I put it back. Okay. I removed these screws right here, these bolts right here, thinking that might be part of removing the seat, since I haven't done it for a long time. Oh, I almost forgot. These right here, it goes right here on this plastic bracket. Everything's for the AC, I think. There's the air vent for the feet. It also has a Torx, and that it's a T25. Oh, sorry, I forget that I'm recording. I put the phone different directions. Okay, so now it's connected to the vent right here. So now the air is gonna flow that way. Okay, let me see. Anything else that I'm missing? No, it looks okay. Okay, so now I just have to put the seat back up, but I think my helper's gone. She's supposed to be helping me here. I guess she's not. Okay. Here, I'm using a 10 Torx for the big bolt. I don't know if these ones come with it's got a Loctite, blue Loctite. So I don't know if you guys want to put Loctite on yours or not. I normally don't. Okay. And if you guys have I don't know, some kind of drive or whatever, electrical drive, it'll be a lot faster. I don't have any, so. This is my drive, mechanical drive. Literally mechanical. the same thing on the other side. Get a little hard. Okay. Now you move the seat back because you got to put everything together. Okay, the first thing that goes here is this cover. Okay, and it's got those clips that gotta go behind that area in the back. Okay, and these things, they go into here, locks them in place. Okay, so just bang it, I guess. That's exactly what I did. And then I gotta put this bolt back on. I screwed up. I wasn't supposed to remove it, I guess. But I removed the battery well, I didn't remove the battery, but I got to the battery a long time ago. So I didn't recall what was needed to get it going, to get it removed. So I just started removing things. Okay. So from there, once again, the same torch and 10 in case that you remove this, but I didn't have to remove it. But like I said, I don't even remember. It's been a long time since I removed the battery. I just remember the seat needed to move back. Go back to the other one. It was easier to remove it. I'm not sure what I did different. Oh, I know. I remember. It wasn't sticking up so high, so. Oh, shit. Okay, that's done. As I said before, I put the clip back on this. This is the one that goes here. So you just line it up. You just line it up with the hole right there. There's no signs behind it. You just click it, and you're done. On this side, the same thing. Look at that. This plastic thing that's in here. I gotta take it out. Get it out. Gotta put it back in here. Oh shit, I guess I wasn't supposed to take it out. That's what locks it in place. So you do the same thing. That's gonna lock in place. Like putting it like this. it goes. I just needed to go inside here first. This, I'm not sure what happened there, but it was like that since I got it. Now it's time to put this. You just go along the seat, and it's got this right here has to go in here. Okay, and you just slide it all the way back, and it locks in place. And then at the end, you just put the. It used to have a clip, but I guess it doesn't have it anymore. Okay, so this is how you do it. See? That's it. And then it attaches to the back one. Those locking pins, they lock with the back one. When you push the back one this way, it'll go into those alignments, whatever you call those pins. And you do the same thing on this side. See, these things right here are gonna lock with the back one. Once you put this one in, and you push the other one from the back, you might have to hold this one on the front, so it goes over it and it locks. Okay. Well, pretty much everything's done. It's ready. You just have to put that in the back ones, and I'm done. The back ones also have the little guides right there, so you have to put them on the guide in order to line up with that other one. All right. Hope it helps you guys out.